Yo, it's your boy Meets 2 Times in the building, Mr. Get Right to Get Left, man, and welcome back to another episode of Real Talk with N2X, man. Hey, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. I hope everybody's staying safe, you feel me? And I'm just making this little video to check in with y'all, but I want to tell y'all some things that's going on right now. So, from last week, probably last Sunday, I would say last Sunday, somebody's been hitting me up from my past, and I've been on NoFap right now, on my streak right now for 10 days for real. Like, I started before No Nut November, but I've been on for 10 days. So, long story short, I've been locked in doing what I gotta do. I told you I was talking to a new girl and stuff like that. But if y'all don't know, I broke up with my ex and I got out of a relationship back in May. Well, basically beginning of June. So let's say June, July, August, September, October, November. 6 months ago, bro. I got out of this relationship 6 months ago, bro. And my ex said she didn't want anything to do with me, really. She tried to be friends, but I wasn't with that. So I haven't talked to her in about 2 months because we try to not rekindle things, but, you know, we talked here and there about 2 months ago, but, like, I just let it be after that. So, for the longest, I was feeling like my ex was a succubus or a Jezebel spirit here to knock me off my grind, because when I first met her, I didn't really like her like that, and I didn't really want to have sex or anything. When we went on our first date, I didn't want to do anything, but she was like, so I might get a dick tonight on the first date, and I'm like, what the fuck, like, you're so easy. So then, long story short, she told me all about her life and how she struggled. I'm not putting her a blast or anything, but she has a lot of lustful things attached to her, about all the encounters she had sexually with people. I'm not gonna go too much in detail for her privacy, but yeah, like, she's went through a lot, and I'm big on sexual energy transfers over through soul ties. So whatever she was going through as a child, or whatever she went through with people in the past, that transfers from person to person. So like I said, I didn't like her like that in the beginning, and really, like, I thought the whole relationship was just based off of sex. Like, that's the only thing that I wanted to do with her. Like, I didn't want to go out and do things with her. I didn't want to spend money on her. I just looked at her for something, you know, for sex, for a body. And I'm usually not like that as a person, but I don't know. It was just, I don't know. I don't feel like I healed all the way from my relationship before that. But long story short, one day I brought up to her, you know, I kind of feel like you're a succubus or a Jezebel. And it was kind of like a joking manner saying it to her, but in my head I was like, damn, she probably really is. And she was like, well, I ain't gonna lie, I think I was too. I think I was probably a mermaid too, cause like, and I'm just like, what the fuck, like, and you say it so seriously. And the crazy thing, bro, is a couple times when we were having sex, bro, her face shifted, bro. One time her face shifted to my ex relationship before that, and then a couple of times her face shifted to a demon, bro. And I kid you not, like, it was so scary. Like, so I'll give you one example. Like, something happened and we were arguing, but basically we came back to my house and basically had makeup sex. But I still should have been mad at her. But when we were having sex, she looked back at me, and when she looked back at me, she like smiled, and it was like a creepy smile, but it was like, nigga, I got you, or some shit like that. Like, yo, I got you, like, you're stuck with me, something like that. And I don't know why, because when I was with her, I was very addicted to watching porn and stuff like that. So, anyway, when she looked back and gave me that look, like, I was like turned on by it for some reason, but like I was trying to pull myself out of her, and I felt myself about to finish, and like I could not pull myself out of her, like, you feel me? I could not pull out, and basically like something was keeping me attached into her and stuff like that. And basically, you know, long story short, we had to go get a plan B. But it was just so weird. Like, why was I gravitating so much towards this person that I didn't really like? But it was just for sex. And after we had that sex, like, I just felt like shit. Like, damn, she just hurt me this night, and we're just having sex. So, long story short, to now, I've been moving on with my life ever since I started self-improving. That's when people went out of my life. She left my life around that time. I had a little shroom experience that I'll tell y'all another day that I feel like kicked it off. But she's out of my life. all the friends that I had left are really out of my life. I don't hang around them no more because they all did some weird shit. But like I said, I started talking to this new girl, and now that I'm actually serious on my journey, bro, I kid you not, my ex is literally trying her fucking best to try and get back in contact with me, and I know I can't slip back into that because that's the devil. He sees that I'm doing good with NoFap, and he's trying to push me back into that being with her, like, because I feel like she was a Jezebel spirit. So he's trying to push me back into that and mess up what I got going on with this new girl right now, and I'm not allowing that to happen, bro. Like, literally, matter of fact, I'm gonna show you how much she texted me, bro. Last time we talked, you can see right there, this was September 17th. She said, "You're still not getting the point," because I was drunk and I was drunk texting her. But anyway, we didn't talk till there. So fast forward to October 28th, which was just a few days ago, and I think that's the day that I did start NoFap. If not, it was the 26th, but I'm not 100% sure. But she texted me, "I just texted to say I passed my test today. I got my license." I didn't answer. I didn't respond at all. Then the next day, the 29th, "Can we talk sometime today?" Didn't answer. She then called me twice that day. I didn't answer. Then the next day, on Monday, I don't know if y'all can see right there. "I guess not. It's fine. I hope you're doing great things in life. Just had a moment where I did miss you and wanted to talk, but I can respect your decision for not wanting to talk to me." The next day, I believe it's it's Halloween. She goes to my Instagram, and she follows me again on Instagram, goes through my story, likes my Halloween post, DMs me and talks about, "Hey, so we're not talking anymore," something like that. Still ignore her, man. The next day, she sends me a TikTok. "Girls on a random Wednesday night after forgiving you 500 times. If you would have changed, she would be here now." I guess trying to say some stuff about me. If I would have changed, we would still be together. Ignore her. Next thing, "I know you're not trying to speak to me. That is obvious, but I have a question. It's been on my mind for a while. I think that's why I'm not healing properly. I'm succeeding career-wise with some personal, but something has been questioning me a lot. If you can at least do me that one favor and just answer my question, I'll leave you alone and stop blowing up your phone." And a period. I don't know what she's trying to get back in my life for. I feel like she's trying to do small talk. And I'm not going to necessarily blame her for that. I'm going to blame the Jezebel spirit or the succubus energy coming from her, and the enemy's trying to work through her to bring me back down that path. So I'm still ignoring her. My sister texts me or calls me, and on Friday, this last Friday, so 2 days ago, texting my sister, "Hey, I don't mean to cause any drama or anything, but do you mind telling Demetrius at least call me once? I've tried speaking to him, but he won't talk to me. I just wanted 5 seconds of his time. Also, I hope you're doing good." My sister just said, "Okay, and you the same." Like, I don't understand why she's trying so hard to get back in my life, but I have a little theory, man. I feel like the enemy is working through her to try and get me back down that path. Because like I said, when I was with her, I was addicted to pornography. When I broke up with her, I was in my self-improvement journey, and I went on my longest streak ever. Now I'm talking to a girl that I actually see a future with, and like, I'm not trying to get dragged down that hole again and be sucked back into that, feel me, realm. Like, right now, I don't feel like I want to relapse. I know I'm not going to relapse because the urges, I'm not even having urges right now, but when they do come, I know how to control them now, because at the end of the day, I have a purpose now. My purpose is to do better for myself, do better for my family, for a new potential relationship, a future future family, and my kids, man. And also I have a purpose now to inspire other people like y'all to not be going down the same path that I did for 11 years, man, where I was constantly using pornography and masturbation to escape my problems, bro, but not actually man up and, you feel me, do things that actually would have got me to a better place in life, man. And I also have my business online. I literally just got laid off last Friday, man. But I can't sit around and not do nothing about it. Yeah, it's a little bit sad, but I can't let that get the best of me. Now the enemy's trying to use people from my past and things going on in my life to try and stop me and get me to relapse, but I'm not gonna do that, man. So what I'm saying is, people on NoFap and semen retention, people from the past are gonna try and come back up, but you're way ahead of those people. Don't go back and reach your arm out to them, because look, you left them in life. You feel me? You excelled. You climbed that mountain in life. Now you're looking back down the mountain. If they're asking for help, you try and grab them for help, they're just gonna pull you back down, and you're gonna have to restart going up that hill again, man. So don't do that. Don't go back to old people or old things that served you no purpose, man. I was literally watching a video from Mark the Messenger 2 days ago, after all my ex started talking to me and everything, and it was a video, 5 things that will happen to you when you're on semen retention. And one of the things was, your ex is gonna try and hit you up, and lo and behold, that's what she's doing, bruh. That Jezebel spirit is coming right through her and trying to drag me back down. Like I said, from us having sex and her face shifting to a demon like, and me not being able to pull out and stuff like that. I know we getting kind of PG 21 or whatever, but yeah, man, it's just weird how all this is happening when I'm actually doing good in my NoFap journey. And like I said, there's always gonna be downfalls and stuff like that, but you just gotta remain strong and keep pushing, and that's what I'm gonna do. So today is November 6th. I'm on my 10th day of NoFap. I started NoFap before No Nut November, and I'm doing good. And I know I have to celebrate. So once y'all reach y'all goal, if y'all finish 30 days of NoFap, make sure y'all celebrate, bro. Make sure y'all celebrate that accomplishment, because you gotta celebrate the small things in life. So that way, when the big things in life come, you can have a massive celebration, man. You can't just be waiting for that one big thing to celebrate, to make $1 million to celebrate. When you save your first $1,000, celebrate, man. Take 100 of the next paycheck, not of the $1,000 you just saved. Take 100 of the next paycheck and go buy yourself some clothes. Go take yourself out to eat. Do something, man. But the moral of this video is, don't let people from your past trying to come back into your life, bruh. If y'all going through the same thing, like people from your past or your ex trying to come back when you're doing NoFap and semen retention, bro, let me know down in the comments below. The Telegram link is down in the description below. It's a little community group chat that I made for the people watching my videos, for accountability partners, for just checking up and actually bettering your life, man. I'm in this journey as well, so make sure you click that and join that. It's free. And yeah, man, I hope y'all stay safe, stay disciplined, and stay motivated. I will catch y'all in the next video, man. Gang.